Hi again, it's Julie the Whippy Chick, and I am back with day 7 of the Crochet Life Hacks series. So all of these ideas are things that you can crochet that will make your life easier or maybe just more pleasant. And I love the idea for today. I think it is the cutest thing ever. So this is Holden, because he's Holden, the Hook Hog pattern by Chain Reactions. What a fabulous name. So this is Holden the Hook Hog, and I think he's so cute. So this is a great way to keep track of your hooks. So I'm just going to take a few screenshots so that I can put them up here somewhere where you can see them. But this is written by Chain Reactions. It says it's by Chain Reactions, but it was published in Linda Grimm's Ravelry store. So I'm not sure what the name of the designer is, but their business name is Chain Reactions. So this is available for a download. It is $4 US dollars, and it looks like they used some Lion brand wool ease yarn is what they suggested. This doesn't look like terribly difficult project. It's kind of an amigurumi style. They definitely use some safety eyes and safety nose, but it's just the cutest thing. I mean, it's so cute. Look at those little hooks sticking out of that little face. He's so cute. Here's a picture of what he looks like while they were making him. It's just the face part. But there's another one of him all completed. So that is just absolutely adorable. And I have no other words other than adorable, cute. So fun. So I love this little guy. Let me know what you think of it, and then just let me know what you think of it in the comments below, not the description box below. That's where I write. All right, everybody. If you are interested in making Holden the Hedgehog, Hook Hog, not Hedgehog, Hook Hog. If you are interested in making him, go ahead and click in that link in the description box below. It's going to zoom you right to my Pinterest board. All you have to do is click on his picture, and that's going to zoom you right to the pattern. So it couldn't be easier, and I'd really love to hear from someone who's made this before. That would be great. Let me know in the comments below if you're enjoying this type of content. I really enjoy making it, and I hope to see you tomorrow for another great idea. Until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.